Over the last 20,000 years, the human brain has shrunk by about the size of a tennis ball. Paleontologists found this out when they measured the fossilized skulls of our prehistoric ancestors and realized they were larger than the modern brain. This is a remarkable discovery by any standards, since for most of our evolution the human brain has been getting larger. A shrinking brain seems at odds with the assumption that advancing science, education, and technologies would lead to larger brains. Our cultural stereotypes of large egg-headed scientists or superintelligent aliens with bulbous craniums fit with the idea that smart beings have big brains. Small brains are generally not associated with intelligence in the animal kingdom. This is why being called bird-brained is regarded as an insult, though in fact not all birds have small brains. Animals with large brains are more flexible and better at solving problems. As a species, humans have exceptionally large brains, about 7 times larger than should be expected, given the average body size. The finding that the human brain has been getting smaller over our recent evolution runs counter to the generally held view that bigger brains equal more intelligence and that we are smarter than our prehistoric ancestors. After all, the complexity of modern life suggests that we are becoming more clever to deal with it. Nobody knows exactly why the human brain has been shrinking, but it does raise some provocative questions about the relationship between the brain, behavior, and intelligence. First, we make lots of unfounded assumptions about the progress of human intelligence. We assume our Stone Age ancestors must have been backward because the technologies they produce seem so primitive by modern standards. But what if raw human intelligence has not changed so much over the past 20,000 years? What if they were just as smart as modern man, only without the benefit of thousands of generations of accumulated knowledge? We should not assume that we are fundamentally more intelligent than an individual born 20,000 years ago. We may have more knowledge and understanding of the world around us, but much of it was garnered from the experiences of others that went before us rather than the fruits of our own effort. Second, the link between brain size and intelligence is naively simplistic for many reasons. It is not the size that matters, but how you use it. There are some individuals who are born with little brain tissue or others with only half a brain as a result of disease and surgery, but they can still think and perform within the normal range of intelligence because what brain tissue they do have left, they use so efficiently. Moreover, it's the internal wiring, not the size, that is critical. Brain volume based on fossil records does not tell you how the internal microstructures are organized or operating. Relying on size is as ridiculous as comparing the original computers of the 1950s that occupied whole rooms with today's miniature smartphones that fit into your pocket but have vastly more computing power.